Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my updated lounge underwear collection. I'm going to do a try on and like a review of each one, but basically a few months ago I was lucky enough to be contacted by Lounge. I was put on their PR list. It meant that they would send me underwear in exchange for an Instagram post, which I've done, and I've got to keep the underwear. Obviously you can't really send underwear back, but I've got 4 new sets of underwear since my last video, which you can go and watch and I will link down below. But this is my updated collection of Lounge underwear, which I love, by the way. It's like one of my favourite underwear brands. So the first set I received as part of the collaboration, this was part of the New Year New Undies launch, and I got the Comfort Push-Up Bra set, which is a bra and the pants. So this is the first set, and I really love the bra because it is very padded and it is like very much a push-up bra. I have got barely any boobs. My top size is a 34A, and then in the bottoms I did get these in a small, but I did learn the error of my ways, I started getting the medium size. I would say I'm like between an 8 and 10, but Lounge is very size inclusive, so a small is probably like quite small, and so the pants do fit, but I think I would just prefer like a little tiny bit more room. And then the top, I'm a 34A, and I love this bra because it is super padded, but it's really comfortable. The back strap is nice and sturdy, and it's got really nice straps that are obviously adjustable. I wear this set all the time. I wear it into work because it is quite a nice everyday set. It's not like bright, it's not going to shine through clothes. I do wear it with like black clothes. I feel like it probably would show through if I was wearing like a white t-shirt, but it's just this really nice solid everyday set. The pants are kind of like a bit satiny, so they're really nice, a bit nicer than just like your bog standard Primark everyday set of underwear. So that's this first one. The next set I've got is one that I literally wear on repeat. I wear it at home, I wear it out, I barely ever take it off to wash. It is the bamboo triangle bra and thong in the colour olive, and this is where I learned that I needed a size medium in the pants. This is the olive bamboo triangle set, and honestly I want this set in every single colour. I know that they come in nude colours like coffee brown, black, I'm pretty sure it comes in white, and then I think it comes in like pastel blue and pink as well, which I think would be gorgeous. Probably grey as well. I think this is one of their more popular sets, and I'm pretty sure they did go viral ages ago, so that is why I chose them, because I've heard such good things. And to be honest, it's very true. It's made of like this lovely soft, really breathable cotton material. It's not got an underwire at all, so it's just got this like elastic strap, which is super comfortable. And these pants I got in a size medium, and I've just got so much more room to move in, and I think that's why I wear this set so much, is just because it feels like pajamas. And I know it's going to get really hot this summer, and to be honest I'm just going to be lounging around my flat like this because it's honestly the comfiest thing that you could ever put on your body. So I'm so glad that I chose this set. The next set is super gorgeous, but it's not one that I ever would have like thought that I would ever choose. It's this gorgeous, oh my god, how pretty is it, spring set, and it's like this floral pastel-y white bra, but then it's got the baby blue and the baby pink and the yellow detailing, and they're like these cute gorgeous flowers. The strap detailing on this bra is so gorgeous as well, and then the pants as part of the set, they, like, to be honest, they hardly exist. They are very like barely there, but they match completely, and they've got the gorgeous like pastel flowers as well, and the lace detailing on these is so pretty. This is the Fleur balcony bra and pant set, and this one is sheer, so I'm gonna have to stand here like this, but you know. So this is the Fleur balcony set. The bra is super cute. I am just putting my hands up in front because the bra on this one is slightly sheer, and then the knickers are also quite sheer. But what I love about the pants is it has these 2 separate like waistlines, so I think that's quite a cute and decorative touch. And I love the fact that the pants have the yellow and it matches perfectly with the bra. The back is just your standard like Class B clippy back, but the side paneling is also see-through and sheer there, which I think is really, really cute. This is an underwired bra, however, I don't wear the bra very often. I wear the pants quite often because they're a light colour and I wear a lot of white trousers, so the pants kind of become invisible pants, which is nice and helpful for me when I'm wearing my white trousers. The bra though, because it isn't padded and it is just like a lace bit of material over the top, it doesn't provide me with a lot of, I mean basically I wear bras almost like a free boob job because I wear padded bras to make it look like I've got boobs, and if I wear just sheer lace ones then I just look like a 12-year-old boy walking around. So I don't wear the bra too often. It's definitely one of the, like, you know, it's a bit saucy. You wouldn't want to wear it, or I wouldn't want to wear it on a cold day. I would probably want more security than that. But just in terms of the design, I think this is so pretty. I don't necessarily know that it goes with my tattoos because the bra is so delicate and floral and girly, and then my tattoos are like, hey! But that's what this one looks like, and I do love it. I think it's so gorgeous. And then the final set and the most recent, and you may have seen this posted on my Instagram lately if you follow me on Instagram, but this is the Lexi balcony bra and thong in a size 34A medium pants. Still trying to hide. This is probably another nipply one, but look at how gorgeous that is. This is like a lady of the night. This is saucy vibes. This is super saucy. That's the bra. It's almost like a half cup with like the satin, and that's covered, and then the top is like a separate layer, so it's like a lace underlay and then the satin over the top. Gorgeous. And then the bottom matches perfectly. It's got the exact same lace detailing. It's got the little bow, which I think is so pretty, and it's basically a piece of black dental floss, but surprisingly really comfy. And I did get this, the bottom's in a size medium, otherwise I think I would have probably died if I tried to get a size small on. So this is this one on, and I think if I pull it up a tiny bit, so you can still see, like, that's safe, so you can see what the bra looks like because I've pulled it up, and you shouldn't, no, I'm safe. So you can't see my nips through here, my nips are down here. The bra should be worn a little bit lower than this, but I love the half cup detailing with the lace. The straps are just nice, comfortable back strap, but this bit's nice and sheer, which I love. And then you've got the gold hooky bits. You've got the little ribbony bow detailing here. Oh my god, a double-decker bus has literally just pulled up outside my window. And I love the way that the bottoms and the top match so nicely. I think this is a cute sort of V detail, which makes your hips look, and then it makes your waist look smaller. But this is just such a, this is a sexy set. This is one I'm definitely going to reserve for like date night, Valentine's night. You know, it is a bit more like, oh hello, you know what I mean? This one is a little bit more da 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 da, you know. I feel so grateful that Lounge asked me to collab, because before I did have like 5 or 6 sets in my previous video, but they were all the exact same set, just in different colours, and I love them so much. But I'm just so pleased that I got an opportunity to try sets that like I probably wouldn't have tried before. I think the quality of Lounge underwear is second to none. Everything is so comfortable, everything is so well made. I don't have to say this, like I don't have to be making this video because the underwear was in exchange for Instagram posts, so I'm just doing this because I wanted to show off what I'm wearing under my outfit pics, because it is 9 times out of 10 it's Lounge underwear. So now I am back decent. Now I can stop flashing at the double-decker buses that keep driving past my 2nd story flat bedroom window. But that was my updated Lounge underwear collection, which I really hope you enjoyed and found very interesting. I think everything that I tried on in this video is still available on the website, but please don't quote me on that. But if you've been thinking about buying Lounge underwear for a while, I really hope this has convinced you, because it's such good quality. Also, I live in Bristol and they have a store in Cabot Circus, and so that leads me to believe they probably have other stores. In fact, I'm certain they have other stores. So I think that's really good. Now you can go into the store, try them on before you commit to buying them online, because obviously underwear is a bit dodgy for returning if you do buy them online. But thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye!